No, this is way... Yeah, Sam, pull forward. You are so far away from the dock. No, pull left. Pull left. Go left. Go left. Back up towards me, like you're trying to back into my truck. Try to back into my truck. With your car, not the trailer. There you go. Now keep that line for a bit and let the trailer actually get towards the dock. Now start going away from my truck. Keep going. Keep going. Turn more, more. You gotta correct it more. You gotta correct it more. Yeah, that way. Sharp as all hell. All the way and back up. Keep going. No. What are you doing? Keep going. You haven't fixed it yet. No, Sam, keep turned. I will watch this wheel. Keep turned. You can fix this, but you gotta keep that cocked. Yep. God, I hope they're not trying to get in. There you go. All right, now start to come my way. Yep, yeah, all the way my way. Yep, all the way my way. No. You're no. When you do that, you're going to cause it to strain more. Yeah, like you basically are backing it opposite of where you want the trailer to actually go. I mean, really at this, yeah, you pull forward. You're not going to save it. You got this in the way. Okay, now just easy. Back the back up towards me. Yeah. No, Yep. No, keep, you haven't fixed it yet. You're selling an ankle. Your front isn't going to hit. You're good. All right, start to correct the other way a little bit. All right, just straighten it. All you have to do is get it straight back. That's all you gotta do. Sam, turn it the other way. No, the other way. Yeah. Yeah, the other way. Keep going. All right, you could probably push it off from there. Shit job, but good enough.